Flamingo watching in Mumbai, a magical pink affair. If you've ever wanted to see a sea of pink gracefully wading through shimmering waters, Mumbai's flamingo season is an experience you shouldn't miss. Every year, thousands of these elegant birds migrate to the city's wetlands, turning them into a mesmerizing pink paradise. Whether you're a bird enthusiast or just someone looking for a peaceful escape, here's everything you need to know to make the most of your flamingo watching adventure. Where to spot them. Mumbai might be known for its fast-paced life, but just a little off the beaten path, the Thane Creek Flamingo Sanctuary becomes home to over 100,000 flamingos between December and May. Other great spots include the Surrey mudflats and the Bondup pumping station, where you can catch a glimpse of these birds in their natural habitat. These wetlands, a mix of fresh and salt water, provide the perfect breeding ground for the tiny organisms that make up their diet. The best time to go. Timing is everything when it comes to flamingo watching. The birds start arriving around December, but if you want to see them in full glory, plan your visit between February and April. Early mornings and late afternoons are the best, both for the soft lighting, hello, stunning photos, and for catching the flamingos when they're most active. Hop on a boat safari. If you really want to get up close without disturbing them, a boat safari at Thane Creek is the way to go. The gentle ride through the calm waters lets you watch flamingos feeding, stretching their long legs, and even taking flight in synchronized waves. The experience is nothing short of magical, as you hear nothing but the sound of water and the occasional flapping of wings. What do flamingos eat? Ever wondered why flamingos are pink? It's all in their diet. They feed on algae, plankton, and tiny crustaceans, all rich in beta-carotene, the same pigment that gives carrots their color. The more they eat, the brighter their pink hue becomes. Watching them dip their heads underwater, filter feeding with their curved beaks, is fascinating. How to be a responsible observer. As much as we love watching them, it's crucial to make sure we don't harm their habitat. Here's how you can do your part. Keep your distance. No chasing, no loud noises. Let them be. No littering. Plastic pollution is a big threat to their ecosystem. Support conservation efforts. Join a cleanup drive or spread awareness about protecting Mumbai's wetlands. Final thoughts. Flamingo watching in Mumbai is one of those rare experiences that remind us how nature thrives even in the middle of a bustling city. Whether you choose a peaceful morning at the mudflats or a thrilling boat safari, it's a sight that stays with you long after the birds have migrated. So grab your binoculars, soak in the beauty, and let Mumbai's pink visitors leave you spellbound.